Hello everyone, and welcome back to Next Gear Auto, your home for everything cars. If you love detailed vehicle reviews, buying guides, and the latest automotive news, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Next Gear Auto, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Today we're taking a closer look at one of Ford's most popular compact cars ever built, the Ford Focus. Whether you're shopping for a reliable daily driver, a fun hatchback, or simply curious about why this car earns such a loyal fan base, stay with us because we're covering everything you need to know, including its design, performance, technology, safety, reliability, and current prices in the United States. The Ford Focus first arrived in the late 1990s and quickly became one of Ford's best-selling compact cars around the world. In the United States, it gained popularity because it offered a comfortable ride, modern styling, impressive fuel economy, and affordable ownership costs. Although Ford discontinued the Focus in the US after the 2018 model year, it remains a favorite in the used car market thanks to its practicality and enjoyable driving experience. Starting with the exterior, the Ford Focus has a sporty yet simple appearance that still looks modern today. The front end features Ford's signature grille design with sleek headlights that give the car a confident look. The smooth body lines improve aerodynamics while adding a stylish profile. Depending on the trim level, buyers can find alloy wheels ranging from 16 to 18 inches, LED lighting, fog lights, and sporty body accents. The hatchback version is especially popular because it combines sporty styling with extra cargo space, making it perfect for families and active drivers. Moving inside, the cabin offers a clean and driver-focused layout. The seats are supportive enough for long road trips, and higher trims include leather upholstery, heated front seats, and a power-adjustable driver's seat. The dashboard is easy to understand, with controls placed within comfortable reach. Even though it's a compact car, the Focus provides good headroom and legroom for front passengers. Rear seat space is decent for adults, while the hatchback offers impressive cargo capacity with the rear seats folded down. Technology is another strong point. Depending on the model year and trim, the Focus comes equipped with Ford's Sync infotainment system featuring a touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB ports, voice commands, and available navigation. The sound quality is excellent, especially with the available Sony premium audio system. Drivers can also enjoy keyless entry, push-button start, automatic climate control, and multiple charging ports for added convenience. Now let's talk about performance. The Ford Focus has been offered with several engine options over the years. The standard engine found in many models is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder producing around 160 horsepower and 146 pound-feet of torque. This engine delivers smooth acceleration and enough power for everyday driving. Buyers could choose either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed automatic transmission depending on the model year. Fuel economy is one of the biggest reasons people continue to buy used Ford Focus models. Most versions achieve around 26 miles per gallon in the city and up to 36 miles per gallon on the highway, making it an economical choice for commuters. Drivers who spend a lot of time on highways will appreciate the low fuel costs and comfortable cruising ability. The driving experience is another area where the Focus shines. The steering feels precise, the suspension is well balanced, and the car remains stable around corners. Unlike many compact cars that focus only on efficiency, the Focus actually feels enjoyable to drive. The brakes provide strong stopping power, and the suspension absorbs bumps without making the ride feel too soft. Whether you're navigating city traffic or driving on winding back roads, the Focus feels confident and easy to control. For drivers wanting more excitement, Ford introduced sporty versions like the Focus ST and the legendary Focus RS. The Focus ST features a turbocharged 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine producing approximately 252 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. It delivers thrilling acceleration while remaining practical enough for everyday use. The Focus RS takes performance to another level with a turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine producing 350 horsepower and all-wheel drive. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, making it one of the fastest hot hatchbacks ever built. Although these high-performance versions cost more than standard Focus models, they remain highly desirable among enthusiasts. Safety has always been a priority for Ford. Many Focus models include advanced safety features such as multiple airbags, anti-lock brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear-view camera, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking on newer trims. These features help provide confidence whether you're driving through busy city streets or taking a long highway trip. Reliability depends on the model year. Earlier Focus models generally earned a reputation for durability, while some 2012 through 2016 automatic transmission models experienced well-known transmission problems. Buyers looking at used Focus vehicles should carefully review maintenance records and confirm that any recall or transmission updates have been completed. Manual transmission models are generally considered more dependable. Regular maintenance, including oil changes, brake service, and timely fluid replacements, can help a Focus remain reliable for many years. Maintenance costs are relatively affordable compared to many competitors. Replacement parts are widely available throughout the United States, and most repair shops are familiar with the vehicle. Insurance costs are also generally reasonable, making the Focus an excellent option for students, first-time buyers, and anyone seeking an affordable daily driver. Now let's compare the Ford Focus with some of its biggest competitors. Against the Honda Civic, the Focus offers more engaging handling, although the Civic has a stronger reputation for long-term reliability. Compared to the Toyota Corolla, the Focus feels sportier and more enjoyable to drive, while the Corolla focuses on comfort and dependability. Against the Chevrolet Cruze, the Focus offers sharper steering and better driving dynamics, making it a favorite for drivers who enjoy spending time behind the wheel. One of the biggest questions buyers ask is whether the Ford Focus is still worth buying today. The answer depends on your priorities. If you're looking for an affordable used compact car with excellent fuel economy, comfortable seating, enjoyable handling, and modern technology, the Focus remains an excellent value. Choosing a well-maintained model with a good service history can provide years of dependable transportation. Now let's discuss pricing in the United States. Since the Focus is no longer sold as a new vehicle, all prices are for the used market. Older models from 2012 to 2014 generally range between $5,000 and $8,500 depending on mileage and condition. Well-maintained 2015 to 2018 models usually sell between $9,000 and $15,000. Hatchback versions in higher trims like the Titanium often command slightly higher prices because of their additional features. Performance-oriented Focus ST models typically range from $18,000 to $28,000 depending on mileage and condition. The high-performance Focus RS remains the most expensive, with clean examples often selling between $30,000 and $45,000 in today's market. Before purchasing a used Ford Focus, it's always a good idea to request a vehicle history report, inspect the car carefully, and have it checked by a trusted mechanic. This small investment can help you avoid unexpected repair costs and ensure you're getting a vehicle that's been properly maintained. Overall, the Ford Focus remains one of the most well-rounded compact cars ever produced by Ford. It combines stylish looks, comfortable seating, responsive handling, practical features, strong fuel economy, and affordable ownership costs into one attractive package. Whether you choose the practical sedan, versatile hatchback, sporty street, or high-performance RS, there's a Focus model designed for nearly every type of driver. That brings us to the end of today's review. What do you think about the Ford Focus? Would you choose it over competitors like the Honda Civic or Toyota Corolla? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below because we'd love to hear your opinion. Thanks for watching Next Gear Auto. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming car reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. We'll see you in the next video.